I am so excited. I've been trying to get my hands on these for 3 years. So these are Javid's Iranian semi-dwarf almond trees from Whiffletree in Elora. So I'm gonna get these planted up right now. They just came today in a giant motherfucking box. Let's go plant them. Ignore our crazy hayfield here. All right, this is where I planted one of the Javid almonds. So they got tons of buds. Hopefully they all start popping soon. I've been trying to get these things for 3 years. I think there's only two varieties of almonds that can grow this far north. I think this one, the Javid, can go down to zone 5 and we're 6B. So hopefully it'll produce some almonds for us. So yeah, I planted it there. Can't really see it from here, but we sit out front on the front porch all the time, so I kind of want to be able to see it. Because in the spring, like most prunus species, it has tons of flowers. And then the other one I planted over here on the slope. Here, let's go over there. Don't mind the mess, it's spring. So I planted the other one there. You might be able to see the tag. And then I also got a plum and cherry cross, which I planted right there. Now that all these trees are gone, this area is full sun, so they should do well. Now the big reason I planted these ones here is also for the view. So we've got kitchen window, sitting room, and then living room. And all of them will be able to see that, which is pretty cool. So I'm excited. Hopefully they bud out soon, hopefully even flower. We'll see what happens. And then we come over to this guy and just I don't know where the stamen is. Oh, there it is. Well, here's for hoping. Well, this is my poor almond tree. We're September 29th. Rough. So this was Japanese beetles. As soon as the frosts come and we go dormant, I'm gonna move it up near the other one, which has not been touched by anything. Oh my God, look at my almond tree now. That's amazing. Doing so good. All right, so unfortunately, one of my almond trees, the one that we would be able to see from the front porch every day, has not come back. But I was just looking and check this out. So go, nothing, 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 nothing. Whatever those paint marks are, boom. And it's above the graft. Don't mind my nasty fingers, I'm gardening. So, I'm gonna do a hard prune and keep pruning from the top outside to the bottom inside until I find like live wood. The interesting part is, so these are still flexible. They're not, okay, that snapped. But when I checked them like yesterday, you could bend them and they would not snap. Of course now they are. Okay, so let's do this. Goodbye top. Oh, that's rough. Yeah, I don't see any green, any wet. All right, we're gonna go way down. Oh, I'm sorry. Still nothing. Nothing. Oh, Jesus. Okay, but there's like nodes all the way down this. So I think I'm just gonna go right here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yes, green. There we go. Okay, so that's alive. I probably went down too far. That is wild. Oh, and the bottom of this is kind of green. Shit, I went too far. Okay, well, anyway. Now it'll push all the growth out this guy, and then it should start springing leaf buds out of all these little nubbins. Good luck, my friend. I'll show you what the other one looks like. It's wildly different. Let's go take a look. Here's the other one, which I already showed you. Oh my God, I have walnuts. Sorry, almonds. Oh my God, we're gonna have almonds. Look at those little guys. Anyway, I don't know what's wrong with my damn phone, but it's like fully leafed out all the way out to the tips. Doing much better. Are you seeing that? Okay, hold on. Look at this little baby almond. Cool. That's so cool. That's so sweet. I'm excited.